Hello children, hi, this is Farheen Miss. Today we are going to learn maths for standard 2nd from part 2. The name of our topic is comparing numbers. In this topic we will learn to compare two numbers using the signs smaller than and greater than. So before we learn how to compare numbers, let's first understand what comparing means. Comparing means looking at two things to see how they are different. We compare things to know which one is bigger, smaller, longer, shorter, heavier or lighter. Let's see some examples one by one. Length, longer, shorter. Size, bigger, smaller. Height, taller, shorter. Weight, heavier, lighter. In the same way, we can also compare numbers to find which number is smaller and which number is greater. So here children, which has more candies? Right, 5 is more than 2. So comparing numbers is just like comparing things. Now come to page number 36 of your maths textbook. Comparing two numbers. Circle the smaller number in each box. In the first box, we have the numbers 3 and 8. Between these two, 3 is the smaller number. So we will circle 3. Now let's move to the second box and do the same. Look at both the numbers. Numbers are 1 and 9. So between these two, 1 is the smaller number. Then next 2 and 20. 2 is the smaller number. Next, circle the bigger number in each box. Again, we will compare both the numbers. So here the numbers are 4 and 7. So we are looking for the bigger number. Between these two, bigger number is 7. So we will circle the number 7. Between 2 and 7, 7 is the bigger number. Next, between 8 and 9, 9 is the bigger number. Before we start reading the examples from the textbook, let's first understand how to write less than and greater than using the signs correctly. Now look at these two numbers 2 and 6. First we compare both the numbers. The bigger number is 6. So the sign will open towards 6. Here the first number is 2. And 2 is smaller than 6. So we write 2 is less than 6. Remember, smaller than and less than mean the same. And also bigger than, greater than, more than also mean the same. If the numbers are written in reverse order, like 6 and 2, we again compare both the numbers. Here 6 is greater than 2. So we put the sign towards 6 and write 6 is greater than 2. We look at the first number and compare it with the other number. Then we write less than or greater than accordingly. The symbol for smaller than and greater than. The symbols stands for smaller than and stands for greater than. From the examples below, we shall see how they are used. 3 is less than 7. 7 is greater than 3. 1 is less than 9. 9 is greater than 1. 20 is greater than 2. 2 is less than 20. The crocodile is greedy. It eats the bigger number. To make this easier, children, remember here is a fun trick. Think of the symbol as a greedy crocodile. The crocodile always opens its mouth towards the bigger number because it wants to eat more. We will learn to compare two numbers using the ideas of smaller than and greater than. Activity time. Now let's learn how to compare numbers. We will find out together with the help of a hungry crocodile who loves to eat the bigger number. Children, in this activity, observe the numbers carefully and see which number the crocodile will eat. 2, 7. Which number will the crocodile eat? The crocodile eats 7 because 2 is less than 7. 9, 4. Which number will the crocodile eat? The crocodile eats 9 because 9 is greater than 4. 10, 3. Which number will the crocodile eat? Crocodile eats 10 because 10 is greater than 3. 60, 90. Which number will the crocodile eat? Crocodile eats 90 because 60 is less than 90. 13, 18. Which number will the crocodile eat? Crocodile eats 18 because 13 is less than 18. If we take any two-digit numbers, how will we decide which one is the greater number? The number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. Yash, let's take 37 and 52. So both the numbers are of two digit, 37 and 52. There are 3 tens in 37 and 5 tens in 52. Therefore, 52 is greater than 37. As also this means 37 is less than 52. Rama, quite right. When we count numbers on a measuring tape, 37 comes first and 52 comes later. The number that comes later is bigger. If both the numbers have the same digit in tens place, how do we decide? If the tens are equal, the digits in units place will help. Yash, let's take 72 and 78. So here children, in 72, 7 is in the tens place. And in 78, same 7 is in the tens place. So 7 is equal. We are going to look now in units place. In unit place, number is 2 in 72. And in 78, the unit is 8. So what we are going to do if tens are equal? 2 and 8. We are going to compare the units. Okay. 2 and 8. So 2 is less than 8. So 72 is less than 78. Let us expand numbers and verify the rules for comparing numbers. 43 and 28. So we are going to expand the numbers, okay, for comparing which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Between the numbers 43 and 28, we are going to expand 43. How it will be? 43 is equal to 40 plus 3. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So look here, in the number 43, the tens place digit is 4, while 2 is the tens place digit in the number 28. Okay, now both the digit you can compare 43 and 28. In the tens place, both the digit are different. Here 4 is there in 43. 4 is in the tens place, and in 28, 2 is in the tens place. Okay, so even we are going to expand the number 28 is equal to 20 plus 8. 2 tens and 8 units. So Which number is greater, children? We are going to write this. 43 is greater than 28. This is the greater sign. So when we expand them, we can clearly see the difference in the tens place. In 43, there are 4 tens, and in 28, there are 2 tens. Since 4 tens is greater than 2 tens, the number 43 is greater than 28. Now next, same we are going to do with the next 2-digit numbers, 31 and 33. Okay, so first we will expand 31. 31 is equal to 30 plus 1. 3 tens, 1 unit. Okay, and in 33, 30 plus 3. 3 tens, 3 units. In both numbers, the tens place digit is 3. That is, the tens digits are equal. Okay, both the number in the tens digit are equal, 3, 3. However, 33 has 3 in the units place and 31 has 1 in the units place. Now we are going to move to units. So in 31, 1 is in the unit place, and in 33, 3 is in the unit place. Here we can see that the digits in the tens place are the same. Both numbers have 3 tens. So now we compare the units place. Between 1 and 3, the number 3 is greater. Therefore, 31 is less than 33. Now, compare the numbers in each pair given below and insert the sign smaller than or greater than between the two numbers. Remember the story of the hungry crocodile? The crocodile wants to eat the bigger number. So the sign always turns towards the greater number. The first sum is already done for you. Here 43 is smaller than 46. So the sign turned towards 46. Now let us solve remaining sums together. 84 is less than 86. 67 is greater than 57. 30 is less than 50. 13 is greater than 9. 23 is less than 32. Try this. Take 10 pairs of any numbers and compare the two numbers in each pair. So today in this lesson we learned how to compare numbers using signs. So my dear children, take any 10 pairs of numbers. You can choose 1 digit or 2 digit numbers. Compare each pair and put the correct sign, greater than or less than. Practice this in your maths notebook. I hope you understood my way of explaining this topic. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Farheen Miss. Thank you.